In this video, I will show you how to share your Steam profile link. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to share your Steam profile link, of course, the first thing you're going to want to know is where you can actually find this profile link. So if you actually open up Steam and log into your account, what you want to do is come up to your profile name, just at the top of the page up here where it says Manage Account. Give that a click to bring up this menu and then click on to View My Profile. Now, once you're on your profile page, you can find your profile link here by coming up to the top, and just underneath these options here, you're going to see this here, which is actually your profile link. So what you can do is give this a click, and that's going to copy your profile link. And then of course you can send this to whoever you want via something like Messenger or WhatsApp to share your Steam profile link. You can also use this method to find other people's profile links as well. So if I come to my friends list and I'm just going to click onto one of my friends, you will see that we have a profile link for this person as well, and we can just repeat the process to get their Steam profile link. So that is how to share your Steam profile link. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.